Welcome children in bio class. Children, I am going to explain you structure of testis and function of testis. Testis is the primary male reproductive organ. Testes are found in scrotum. The testis is surrounded by three layers, that is protective covering. Other name of protective covering is tunicae. There are three protective covering: outer covering, middle covering, and innermost covering. Outer covering of the testis is tunica vaginalis. Middle covering of testis is tunica albuginea, and innermost covering of testis is tunica vasculosa. This innermost covering have very fine blood capillaries. But when we see the internal structure of testis, so these three protective covering of the testis you see. This outermost covering is tunica vaginalis. This is the tunica vaginalis. Middle covering is tunica albuginea. This is the tunica albuginea. And innermost covering is tunica vasculosa. But when we see the internal structure of testis, it has internally divided into several lobules which are called testicular lobules. So these are the lobules: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the lobules. Each lobule contains a number of tiny, highly convoluted tubules. These tiny, highly convoluted tubule which present in the lobule, that is, this is the highly convoluted tubule. So these highly convoluted tubules which present in the lobule is called seminiferous tubule. The wall of the each seminiferous tubule is made up of single layer of germinal epithelium. This germinal epithelium consists of spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. So spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. Here you can see the structure of internal structure of seminiferous tubule. In that, these are the spermatogonia, that is also germinal epithelium, and this large cell, it is the Sertoli cells or nurse cells. Spermatogonia undergoes repeated mitotic division. Then it will form a large number of cells, and that cells are called sperm mother cell, or it is also known as spermatogonia. So these germinal epithelial cells undergo repeated mitotic division. They are producing a large number of spermatogonia. These are the Sertoli cells. These Sertoli cells are the nerve cells. These cells, nerve cells, these cells will provide nutrition to the developing spermatids. In between the seminiferous tubule, like you see here, many 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the many seminiferous tubule. In between the seminiferous tubule, there group of scattered cells are present. These are the group of scattered cells. These are known as interstitial cells or Leydig cells. These cells produce male hormone testosterone. Growth of this hormone is promoted by interstitial cell stimulating hormone, and these cells will produce male sex hormone testosterone. Spermatogonia, which produced by mitotic division from the germinal epithelial cells, will undergo growth phase and then maturation phase. After that, they will be producing spermatozoa. These spermatozoa, through the vasa efferentia, see here, this structure is vasa recti, and this is the vasa efferentia, and these structures are seminiferous tubule. Spermatozoa are produced in seminiferous tubule. They will come in the rete testis. From the rete testis, they will come in vasa efferentia, and from the vasa efferentia, they will pass into the epididymis, and they will store in the epididymis, and there is the maturation and mobility of spermatozoa. So epididymis will store the spermatozoa. Maturation and motility of spermatozoa takes place in the epididymis.